Maybe many of us have consumed lemon water, but have you ever wondered what changes lemon water actually triggers in our bodies? And how should we prepare our lemon water? In today's video, we'll discuss the benefits of drinking lemon water and common mistakes people make while consuming it. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a like. Let's get started. Benefit 1. Prevents liver fat accumulation. Lemon water can aid the body's natural detoxification processes. Free radicals are highly reactive molecules naturally produced in the body. They interact easily with other molecules due to having an unpaired electron, which can start chain reactions causing cell damage. Lemon, with its high vitamin C content and antioxidant properties, can combat free radicals and support toxin elimination from the body. This can indirectly prevent liver damage and fat accumulation. Lemon water can promote digestion and help the liver function more efficiently. It contains many antioxidants, including vitamin C, which protects cells from oxidative stress and help maintain liver health. When combined with a balanced diet, lemon water can significantly reduce fatty liver. 2. Reduces high cholesterol. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant with many positive effects on overall health. Vitamin C can help protect artery health by preventing the oxidation of bad cholesterol. Additionally, lemons contain polyphenols, which can positively affect heart health. Polyphenols can help regulate cholesterol levels due to their antioxidant properties. Drinking lemon water increases hydration levels, which is important for overall health and can indirectly affect cholesterol levels. Lemon water also supports liver function, helping to eliminate toxins from the body. A healthy liver plays a crucial role in cholesterol metabolism. Lemon peel and pulp contain pectin, a soluble fiber that can reduce cholesterol absorption in the intestine, helping maintain healthy cholesterol levels both directly and indirectly. 3. Aids weight loss. Drinking lemon water can support weight loss in various ways. Lemon water is a low-calorie beverage. Adding just a few drops of lemon to water enhances its flavor without adding extra calories, making it a good substitute for high-calorie drinks. Some studies suggest that water consumption can temporarily boost metabolism, helping burn more calories, and lemon water can contribute to this effect. Drinking water also increases satiety, reducing hunger and calorie intake. Lemon water promotes digestion and supports digestive health, aiding nutrient absorption and digestion, contributing to weight control. 4. Anti-cancer properties. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which includes antioxidants that help prevent cell damage by fighting free radicals. Free radical-induced cell damage plays a significant role in developing diseases like cancer. Lemons also contain biologically active compounds like flavonoids, which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Some research suggests these compounds can inhibit cancer cell growth. Lemon water consumption improves liver function, aiding toxin elimination and positively affecting overall health. A healthy liver is crucial for cancer prevention. Lemons can also create an alkaline effect in the body. Cancer cells grow faster in acidic environments, so maintaining the body's pH balance can inhibit cancer cell growth, and lemon water can help achieve this balance. 5. Prevents signs of aging. Vitamin C in lemons combats free radicals, protecting skin cells from oxidative stress, reducing wrinkles and fine lines. Vitamin C is crucial for collagen synthesis, a protein that maintains skin elasticity and firmness. Adequate vitamin C intake boosts collagen production, making the skin look younger and healthier. Proper hydration keeps the skin moist and supple. Lemon water makes drinking water more enjoyable, increasing hydration and preventing dryness and flakiness. Lemon juice can balance skin tone, reduce spots, and hyperpigmentation due to its vitamin C and other nutrients. Lemon has anti-inflammatory properties that improve skin health and reduce aging signs by minimizing redness and swelling. 6. Reduces kidney stone risk. Lemons contain high amounts of citric acid, which can prevent kidney stone formation. Citric acid increases the solubility of urine, preventing calcium oxalate crystals formation and inhibiting existing small stones growth. Lemon water's citric acid content can prevent calcium oxalate stone formation by binding with calcium. Drinking plenty of water increases urine volume, reducing the risk of kidney stones. Lemon water promotes water consumption, helping to dilute urine and reduce stone-forming mineral concentration. Lemon water is a natural way to prevent kidney stones without using chemicals or drugs. 7. Contains phytonutrients. Lemon water provides the benefits of lemon, which is rich in phytonutrients. Phytonutrients are bioactive compounds naturally found in plants with protective effects on health. They reduce oxidative damage caused by free radicals, protecting cells, delaying aging signs, and reducing chronic disease risk. Phytonutrients can reduce inflammation, improving overall health, as chronic inflammation underlies many diseases. Compounds like flavonoids protect blood vessels and improve blood flow, reducing cardiovascular disease risk. Limonoids and flavonoids may have anti-carcinogenic properties that inhibit cancer cell growth. Phytonutrients boost the immune system, making it easier to fight infections and support overall health. They also support liver detoxification processes, facilitating toxin elimination from the body. Mistakes when consuming lemon water. 1. Don't drink pure lemon juice. Due to its high acidity, lemon juice can damage tooth enamel. Drinking pure lemon juice can erode enamel and make teeth sensitive. Always dilute lemon juice with water to minimize its acidity's harmful effects on teeth. For example, adding the juice of half a lemon to a glass, 250 ml of water is ideal. Using a straw to drink lemon water can reduce acid contact with your teeth, helping protect enamel. 2. Don't drink right before meals. When metabolized during digestion, lemon juice becomes alkaline, neutralizing stomach acid. Stomach acid needs to be strong enough to aid digestion. Drinking lemon water right before meals can neutralize stomach acid, negatively affecting digestion. It's best to drink lemon water at least half an hour to an hour before meals to optimize its effects on the digestive system while maintaining necessary stomach acid levels during meals. 3. Don't prepare lemon water in advance. Lemon juice is especially rich in vitamin C, but its nutrient content can decrease over time if prepared in advance. Exposure to light, heat, and air can oxidize vitamins, reducing their nutritional value. Storing lemon juice for a long time, especially in improper conditions, can risk microbial growth. This is particularly true if lemon juice is mixed with other ingredients rather than pure water. Lemon juice that's been stored may lose its fresh taste over time, reducing its refreshing quality. 4. Avoid. If you have ulcers or gastritis, lemon juice is acidic and can increase stomach acid, irritating the stomach lining in conditions like ulcers or gastritis. This can cause pain, burning, and discomfort. Ulcers and gastritis are characterized by inflammation and sores in the stomach lining, and acidic drinks can worsen these conditions and slow the healing process. 5. Be careful. If you have alkalosis, lemon juice becomes alkaline when metabolized in the body. This can exacerbate the condition in individuals with alkalosis, making the blood even more alkaline. If you have alkalosis, avoiding lemon juice and other alkaline beverages is important to help maintain the body's acid-base balance. If you've watched this far, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Have a great day.